버스 타고 큰 쇼핑몰에 왔어요. 외장하드 사려고 왔어요. Let me see.
This is half price, but it's my price still.
Is there any you like?
Yeah, but I don't have an Xbox.
Hey, you have.
I don't have an old Xbox. That's the new Xbox. We can't play.
Yeah.
Should buy a Nintendo. Don't you think?
Nope.
Yeah, you're right. We should.
You have a Drongi one.
Let's go test.
In England?
DeLonghi.
저번에 K마트에서 13불 주고 밥솥 샀잖아요. 근데 어제 사용해 봤는데 밑에가 타더라고요. 그래서 밥솥 새로 사러 왔어요. Same.
Yeah. Looks like a rice cooker.
We wasted $13 and then this is a $40.
Yeah.
Wasted.
Well, you can keep the $10 one that's going to explode if you want.
Which one should we get with?
Probably the 2 terabyte one. That's the digital, yeah, it's fine.
I've never seen that brand.
It's spicy. Really? Oh. Well, they'll come out of the same factory in Taiwan, so. 2 terabyte. See? 2 TB.
And then $99.
Yes.
And then what about 1 terabyte?
It's $80.
Ah,
So you may as well get 2 terabytes.
okay. Should we get that one then?
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna go buy this now, darling. Yeah, that would be
Is it cheap?
Yeah. So reasonable. Star Wars
Hey,
doll?
how are you doing?
Hey, grab this one, please.
No. Right, and what was your mobile number for the digital receipt?
That's fine.
Do I need one?
Yeah.
Not a problem.
Cool. Thank
Have
you.
a good day. See you
Thank
guys.
you. So when is the next one?
Doesn't matter, we'll just get it Uber, I think. Okay, so here we are with our sweet $13 rice cooker, which we tried out, was it last night?
Yeah.
The whole bottom of it was wrecked. So I thought, Jessie doesn't know how to cook rice. She
No.
put too much in and it just burnt it all. Yeah? But that was wrong, so
Yeah.
I had a look at it. But then on the back,
Yeah.
it's got a big, but that's underneath. Why is it burnt underneath?
Yeah.
So burnt on there, like, and it's burnt down here. So it's just cheap shit, really.
Yeah, it's a bad quality.
So
It's a really
we already
bad.
got rid of the receipt, and I can't be bothered taking it down the shops for $10. But we went and bought a new one today. So, JB Hi-Fi.
네.
This is the good electronic shop. You can get all your electronics pretty cheap there. And we got Breville, which is actually a brand that we've heard of. So what have we got? This is like a YouTube unboxing. We have a lid. There you go.
Ooh.
Did you know that in the rice cooker, you can cook rice? Look at that. Wow.
We didn't know that.
Thank you, Breville. Very cool.
That one is for steam food.
For steam food? Okay.
I don't know.
We got a little measuring cup here,
Yeah.
and we got a little spoon.
Yeah.
Rice spoon. Let's have a look. What is the difference between $10
And then $39.
and $40? This one is like just a black. This one is like textured. You can see like the non-stick coating
Yeah.
and the measuring thing.
Mm-hmm.
You can hear that. That's kind of hollow. And that's yeah.
Thicker.
So we got the actual rice cookie bowl,
Yeah.
and then we got the machine. So let's
Yoo-hoo.
have a look. Oh, it's on a spring. Winky, winky. That's the sound of. Oh, was it a spring? Oh, look at that. That spring's different. I'm trying to find. Look at the. Listen. Doesn't really spring back.
Yeah.
You can hear it.
Yeah, it's a shitty spring.
And this one's like.
Work
So I
well.
think just that it's better quality.
Hope so.
The heater. I was a bit worried the old one might like catch on fire. Okay. So there's your new one. Now look, I'm gonna do a comparison shot. Look at this. It doesn't even. I think I broke the spring. I think I. Oh, okay. Yeah. Definitely worth paying an extra $30.
Yeah.
I mean, what do you expect for $13 though? Working rice cooker? Cause that's not what you're gonna get.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try out our Breville,
Yeah, later.
and this one is too ashamed to even write who made it,
There's no brand.
because they know. Oh, it's just like, yeah, that's shit. Shouldn't have bought that. Here's a spoon. Even the spoon is better. It's spoon quality. It's got little glitters on it so your rice don't stick. And this is just, it's not even a spoon. Trash garbage. In the bin. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Go, 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 go.
The little ones just got proactive.
I see, I
You
see.
know.
오늘은 일요일이고요. 방금 대청소를 했어요. 청소기 돌리고 빨래도 하고. 그리고 잠깐 동안의 휴식 타임이에요. 로이는 게임을 이렇게 하고 있네요.
Hello. Pangum. Laundry time. Oh, wow. I wash my towels. Yes. How fun. We're gonna hang this up. Next on Jessie's Wild Adventures. Somebody left all the pigs on the line.
날씨가 좋아서 오늘 안에 다 마를 것 같아요. 바람이 불어가지고 항상 빨래 집게를 꽂아놔야 돼요. 이제 빨래 다 하고서는 장 보러 가려고요.
Do you have flask? Oh, am I talking about?
Yeah.
Okay. You're up. We got some sliced beef jam.
Sliced beef jam.
Yeah.
아까 마트 가서 찾아온 슬라이스 된 고기예요. 콜스에는 슬라이스 된 고기를 안 팔아가지고 정육점에 따로 주문을 했어요. 근데 잘 잘라진 것 같아요. 얇게. 그래서 오늘 이걸로 해서 불고기 만들려고요. 재료는 이렇게 준비를 했어요.
What's it look like inside? Not much juice in them. How much do you need?
I think yeah, that's enough.
Can do both bits if you want. That's better. Sometimes it gets bullied into it. Little pink plate. Everyone's in their coat.